Hello. Today, villa tour again around Amed, and at the moment we are at Only You Villas. I already know that Anna chose this particular place, but anyways, I'm pretty impressed about this place. I love it. To be honest, I would love to live in a place like this. So, just to simply explain you, I will just show you around and then you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so there are two villas here. There's one and there's another one. For these two villas, there's one pool. So let's say they are sharing the pool between these two villas. And there is a lot of space. There's a place where you can chill next to the pool. So this is one room villa, or it would be more correct to say it's one floor villa. So there's a small kitchen here with a fridge, the big fridge, as you can see. Really small and compact kitchen. So basically with all the plates, glasses and other stuff what you need for, and really cozy place to take your breakfast, dinner or lunch. You can see a little bit there ocean, but it's like covered with another building. Then we are going inside. That's how it looks like inside. Really comfortable bed. There is also TV. Then the bathroom, clean and nice and really compact. Shower, and there's no ceiling here, which is also kind of exotic for everyone. So that's how it looks from another wall. So, and it's really high ceiling. Definitely really cozy one. It feels like everything is really compact and there is everything you really need. So now we're gonna proceed to the next one, which actually Anna chose already, and I can understand why she did it. Like a small balcony here. You can the pool is actually not really Balinese pool. It's way deeper than usual pools, which is usually about 1.5 meters. This one looks way deeper. So it's also the same as on that side, just simply small, compact kitchen. If you're living here like, I don't know, 1-2 months, then it's more than enough. Anyways, all around this area there are so many good places where you can take a dinner. So then there is a room, bedroom. There's a small table on this side. Then there is a wardrobe. Then TV if someone needs it. And then there is a stairs going up to the second floor. In the middle you will find toilet or shower. Basically it's a combination of both. Shower, no roof. So we keep going up, and this is, in this villa, this is my favorite place. And I will just show you. So this is like, how to say, it's like a living room. So it's this beautiful wall made from wood. I think that's the treasure of this villa. Then there is a table, you can sit and again read a book or what is the plan for the day. So then there is a chilling area, again with this beautiful like a wall made from the wood. There is another table, another chair, and there is a view to the ocean. and that's how it looks from here. The pool is down there. They have another villas. There's like a round building. Someone is staying there already for the 8 months, but it's not the same. I never been in there. Maybe they are family and that's why they're staying there. But these two villas, if you're looking for something really interesting combination of this modern Balinese, so then definitely I recommend you to check out this place. The same time, from here you can see the top of the Agung. We decided to check out another place which is called Wendys Sunset. Wendys Sunset Point. I will check out the name. But so they have new rooms, and it's just incredible place. First of all, what is the best thing is this place is the view. So this is called Bunutan Beach. This is a place where we go diving. This is our favorite dive site, Bunutan Beach. So I will start from here. It's the pool here, and now I'm going down to the rooms. This is a sunset place, so you can chill during the sunset. The sunset is there. You can see really clearly Agung. Not at the moment, it's all covered in the clouds. Then you go down. Here, just below the sunset area, and then they have these rooms. So this is one room. The room looks like this. No one stays at the moment here, so that's why it's all like covered. Definitely it's not something like, it all looks really good, as you can see. Just the cover for the dust. Then, and the bathroom is actually, I have to find where is it, right? The bathroom looks really cool because this is a cliff and they made it, all the rooms are located on a cliff. That's the shower. Then, so this is one of the rooms, and now there's like, you can sit and look at the sunset or sunrise there. Now we are going to the second room. So it's like a one, if you're a family, so that it's really easy. So there's one bedroom here. Then there is a small kitchen. Kitchen equipped with everything you need. The stove is a really good one. Actually, there's a fridge. Then there is another bedroom here, the small one. Small bedroom here with some shelves. And then there is one bathroom for both of the rooms, really big one. If there is a family of, I don't know, family, so then you can rent all this area. So then you have 2 big bedrooms and one smaller for the kids, and it's just simply amazing. It's really, it's like you come out of the room. At the moment it's covered because it's really bright sun, but then just look down. That's another view. That's the Lempoyang there. So you have a view to the mountains, you have the view to the Bunutan beach, and you have the view to the Agung. I recommend you, even you are not planning to stay in this place, I really recommend you to come for the sunsets here. We have 2 really good places for the sunset. One is the Blue Earth Village, and another one is this one. And I even don't know which one is better. As an advantage of this place is also the view to the Bunutan area mountains. Girls been out diving. How was the dive?
Oh, nice. Good. A little bit challenged afterwards, but you know, as we swam back in the slow walk, it was okay. Anna, there's but you know, there is a place where it's like a tires, many tires.
Yeah, 15
There is
meters. Oh,
20,
20, yeah, okay.
and there is a ghost nets.
Ghost nets, a lot?
Yeah, all tires covered with ghost nets.
Really?
Because you see, there is a booth. Hi, Mayan.
Oh, well.
So
So then we have to go and get them out, right?
and it looks like the ghost nets already a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Already got the message on our group of the ghost net warriors, so I don't know how to call us, but there's a lot of ghost nets at the moment in Golden Rock area, Gili Selang area, and now we have here on our house trip as well. In these 2 days we've been going around so many homestays and villas, and I think it's a time to round it up. I think it's enough for me. First of all, we found the villa for Anna, and there's no point to keep going and looking around. I don't know, at least you got some idea what you can get here, and maybe it will help you to find anything. 3 episodes about villas, I think it's more than enough. Alright, thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.